Hello, Cambly learners. My name is Shireen, and I am a tutor on Cambly Kids. Today, I have an exciting lesson planned for us. We are going to be talking about healthy habits. Let's begin. Now, before we even talk about healthy habits, I want us to think about the word habit. Can you say habit? Great job. A habit is something we do every day. It's something that is part of our life. We do it regularly and routinely. Now that we know what a habit is, I want us to think about what a healthy habit is. Healthy habits are things that we can do every day to take care of our body and mind. They are things that are good for us and help us stay healthy and strong. For example, I'm sure you know that one healthy habit is to brush your teeth twice a day. I'm sure you do this healthy habit. Now, today, I want us to think about more healthy habits that we can do to stay healthy and strong. Are you ready? Let's start. Now, the first healthy habit I want to talk about is very important. I want us to talk about eating healthy. I know it can be hard to eat healthy sometimes. I love candy and sweet treats, but eating healthy is very, very important. We can eat healthy by making sure that we eat protein, which is meat or chicken. We can also eat dairy, which is like milk or yogurt. We can also make sure that we eat fruits and vegetables like apples and broccoli and lettuce. We should also make sure that we eat carbs like pasta and bread. And last, we should also eat some healthy fats like oils and nuts. That is one way we can try to make sure that we are always eating healthy. Another healthy habit I want to talk about is making sure you drink enough water. I know this sounds easy, but some people forget. You have to drink enough water to keep your body nice and hydrated. Hydrated means you drink enough water. When you drink enough water, that means that you can focus and concentrate in school, and it helps you remember very important things. Another healthy habit I want to talk about is making sure that you eat breakfast. I know this one also sounds easy, but sometimes people forget. We're running in the morning, we're busy, we have to get to school, but you should never, ever, ever forget to eat breakfast. Have you ever heard someone say, breakfast is the most important meal of the day? Well, it's true. You have to eat breakfast so that your mind and your body can be ready for the day. If you go to school without eating breakfast, it's going to be really hard to think. Your brain will not be working well. But if you eat, that means you are ready for the day. You can focus, you can pay attention, and you can learn lots of new things at school. Now, the next healthy habit I want to talk about is a little bit different from the other ones. This one is called staying active. What does it mean to stay active? Staying active means moving your body. We can't just stay at home all day. We have to get up and move around. There are lots of different ways that you can stay active. Some of them are really easy. If you have a dog, you can take your dog out for a walk. And if you don't have a dog, you can go for a walk with a friend or someone in your family. Another way to stay active is by riding your bike, going for a swim. You can even play a fun game of tag or hide and seek with your friends. The last healthy habit I want to talk about is one of my favorite healthy habits, reading. Now, how is reading a healthy habit? Not all healthy habits have to do with food. Some healthy habits have to do with your mind. If you are reading every day, even if it's just for a little bit, your brain is getting bigger and stronger. You're learning new words, you're practicing your listening skills, you are just doing everything your mind needs to grow. And you're also staying calm and being focused. Reading is such a fun habit, and you can also grow your imagination. I love to read, and it's one of my favorite healthy habits. I really hope these healthy habits are part of your life and you use these healthy habits to stay healthy and strong and continue growing up in the best way possible. For those of you who are unfamiliar with Cambly Kids, Cambly gives you instant access to native English speakers who are kid friendly, just like me. Ask your parents to schedule your next lesson with me using the link below. Thank you so much for watching. Goodbye.